Alright, so in today's video, we're gonna make mango lassi, but not really lassi, because I don't know how to make that, but I'm gonna make a drink that's inspired by lassi, and hopefully it'll still taste good. So if you're ready, let's get into it. You can add your favorite plant milk. Mine is probably Earth's own oat milk. Not sponsored. This is totally optional, but this shit's fucking good. It's got sea salt and chili pepper and celery leek, and yeah, buy it. Oh my god, that's the best thing in the whole fucking world. But seriously, like, that's crazy. You got like sweet and spicy and like this fruitiness. I wonder if it's the mango or the mango powder. It's like just boom, like fruity. Now, if you got a mortar and pestle, obviously it's better to ground the cardamom. Okay, so try to do that. Oh, that's nice. I imagine if you wanted, you could like throw like a little lemon in there, or like a little bit of lime juice or something like that. But it's good as is with a little bit of spice. I could probably use some like a little bit more chili powder. So I think I'm just gonna like add a little bit more chili powder to it. But yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. You probably won't try it, but it's all good. Cheers. Double D's, 34D bra. What kind of intro was that? It was